Welcome back, everybody. Look at this 2009 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Crew. Loaded up truck, 2-owner, solid, clean, well maintained, loaded. You got a sunroof, heated and cooled power leather memory seats. You got factory navigation, bed liner, step-ups, alloys, Triton 5.4 liter V8. Look at the body on this truck, how nice it is. It's extremely clean. It's come out of Pennsylvania, recently inspected, service contract included, of course, like all of our other vehicles. You're going to get 3 months, 4,500 miles over the complete drive line. This will qualify for guaranteed credit approval. White diamond metallic, tan leather, Sony system sync with subwoofer, streaming Bluetooth, streaming audio. Just a really nice truck. 6.5 foot box, 4x4, good setup with the 6-speed and the 5.4 liter. This is a great towing truck. GasPilot.com.